county road kicks dust in the air. Got a cooler in the back and your hand in my hair. Sun hanging low on a Saturday sky. You look over and laugh as the world rolls by. Got a blue striped chair and the tackle box too. Ain't much in this life that I need but you. 'Cause you love that little lake town where the sun goes down and the boats slow down, where the radio plays through the summer night and everything feels just right. Yeah, you love that little lake town where we get away when life gets too loud. Ain't nobody around for miles and miles, just you and me and your smile. A bonfire smoke and the sound of the trees, a little John Deere green and a warm night breeze. Stars showing off like they own the sky. You lean on my shoulder and time slips by. That old wooden dock still creaks the same way, like it knows we're coming at the end of the day. 'Cause you love that little lake town where the sun goes down and the boats slow down, where the radio plays through the summer night and everything feels just right. Yeah, you love that little lake town where we get away when life gets too loud. Ain't nobody around for miles and miles, just you and me and your smile. Yeah, 20 years from now, when we're older and gray, we'll still find our way to the same old place.
I'm about to miscut my last piece of plywood right here. Oh man.
That little lake town where the sun goes down and the boats slow down, where the radio plays through the summer night and everything feels just right. Yeah, you love that little lake town where we get away when life gets too loud. Ain't nobody around for miles and miles, just you and me. I can't wait until the day I get on that boat and I'm on my way home, down that long stretch of highway across Louisiana, slowly making my way back to Texarkana. Baby, I'ma walk you down that hall, lay you back on the bed, sliding torn blue jeans off, put a pillow under your head. You push me down to a wonderful place and I hear the sound of you breathing my name, and we make good love all night long. Girl, you're a gift from above. Might not be right, but it can't be wrong. When the morning sun comes creeping through the blinds, coffee in my cup and your shoes right by mine. Nothing on but my shirt, hair's all a mess. Girl, it's heaven on earth. Every time you undress, you smile and nod your head, giving me permission. Nothing needs to be said, 'cause you know my intentions. Yeah, I pull you close, you put your body on mine, and I know what you want by the look in your eyes. I trace some curves like I've got all night. Every move is saying that feels just right. Baby, I won't rush, just obey your law, while our two shadows are dancing on the wall. Your fingers all tangled up in my hair. You pull me closer like you need me there. Soft, don't stop, comes off your lips as you slowly ride. Can you roll your